Unlock 4.0, the fourth phase of opening of the economy after coronavirus lockdown, will start from September 1. This phase comes at a time when India's COVID-19 tally had crossed the 3.46 million mark and the number of deaths due to the disease have gone up to over 62,000. Officials have said that the Unlock 4 guidelines, which will be announced soon, only mention the activities which will be prohibited while the rest can resume. Take a look at what is likely to change during Unlock 4.0. The centre is likely to allow resumptions of metro services which were halted since March 22nd in Delhi and the NCR from September 1. Contactless ticketing system will be put in place and passengers will not be allowed to use tokens anymore. Flouting COVID-19 norms such as not wearing a mask, sitting on seats meant to be left vacant in order to maintain social distancing, and spitting or littering on the station premises will attract hefty fines. Schools and colleges are likely to remain shut, while bars will be allowed to serve liquor over the counter for takeaways. Cinema halls will also remain shut as it won't be feasible to run shows with only 25 to 30% capacity due to physical distancing norms. In Karnataka, the academic year of colleges for various degree courses will commence from September 1 with online classes, while offline classes may begin from October 1, the state government had said. Karnataka may push for opening cinema halls and allowing sale of liquor in restaurants in a relief to the hospitality sector. In Unlock 4.0, domestic flights from COVID-19 hotspots will be allowed to land in Kolkata. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said, "We have received several requests to resume flight operations from 6 COVID-19 hotspot states. So from September 1, flight services from 6 states, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Chennai and Ahmedabad, can resume thrice a week. While pubs and clubs are expected to open in the state, West Bengal will be under complete lockdown twice a week." Local trains in Mumbai will not resume in this phase. Mumbai police have also warned motorists that they will impound vehicles if they cannot show a valid reason for being out. While Chennai has announced that e-passes will be mandatory for interstate and inter-district movement, restrictions on liquor shops and hotels may be eased in the city in Unlock 4.0. Bureau Report.